because your makeup work and everybody look ahead. So, to finish off our essay that we've been working on, we are now going to work on the very last part, which is our conclusion, okay? So the end of an essay is called the conclusion. In your conclusion, you will write about your hopes and plans for the future. What do you want to do after high school? What goals do you want to accomplish? It's important to start reflecting on these questions. So, what is a conclusion? So let's say that you're watching a movie, right? And you get to the conclusion. What does that mean? The end. Exactly, right? So you're watching a movie. The conclusion is the very end of the movie. So just like your essay, right? The conclusion is the end part of your essay, okay? So the first part of our essay, we wrote about where you were from, which was the past, where you are right now, which is the present, and now our conclusion, which is the future. So again, what is the future? So anytime after right now. So the future could be 10 seconds from now, 10 minutes from now, 10 hours from now, 10 days, 10 weeks, 10 months, 10 years, right? So the future is what has not happened yet, okay? And accomplish. What does it mean to accomplish something? Anybody know? So if you are to accomplish something, it means that you finish something, that you do something, right? So an example, let's say that you guys want to run a race, okay? So you guys run a 5K and you finish the race. So you set a goal that you wanted to meet, that you wanted to do, and you accomplished that goal, all right? So maybe your goal is to graduate high school. That's an awesome goal, right? So we have to talk about how you can meet that goal, how you can accomplish that, okay? So what do you want to do after high school? What goals do you want to accomplish? So what do you want to do? How can you make that happen? That's what we're going to talk about here in this essay. So for this paragraph, you will need 5 or more sentences about your future. Details about the people who have helped you. Details about what you want to do in the future. Details about the place where you want to be in the future. And a concluding statement that ties together all the ideas that you wrote about in the Where I'm From and Where I'm Going essay. Okay? So, just like in our introduction, we had the same structure. We had our hook sentence, our detail sentences, and our transition sentences. In our body paragraph, we had our hook sentence, our detail sentences, our transition sentence. This time, right, the only difference is that instead of a transition sentence, it will be our complete and total conclusion sentence. So we're still going to start with our hook. We're still going to put in our detail sentences, but this time we're going to end it completely. So we're going to completely end our essay, okay, without a sentence to move your audience towards something else. So now you're tying everything together, okay? So now your check-in questions. So look at the picture at the top right corner of this page. What do you see? How is it related to the main idea of the conclusion? And who inspires you to stay motivated and focus on your future success? So I want you guys to look right here at this picture. Okay, I'm going to stop our Screencastify here in just a minute. So look at this picture, and then I want you to think about the first question. Look at the picture at the top right corner of this page. What do you see? How is it related to the main idea of the conclusion? And then I want you to think about who inspires you to stay motivated and focus on your future success.